Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Robux with Cash App on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, in order to buy Robux using Cash App on your iPhone, you have to follow these steps. First, open the Cash App on your device. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Cash Card icon and make sure your Cash Card is activated. Also, ensure you have enough balance in your account. Next, open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus icon at the top right of the screen. Then choose Add, Debit, or Credit Card. You can either scan your card or manually enter the details like card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure your app and iOS are updated to avoid any issues during setup. Once your Cash Card is linked, open the Roblox app. Go to the More section at the bottom right, scroll down, and then tap on Settings. Then, head into Payment Methods. Here, confirm that your Cash App card is available as a payment option. If it's not listed, you'll need to add it manually. Now, tap on the Robux icon at the top of the screen and choose the amount you want to purchase. For example, you can select package like 400 Robux to get started. After selecting, you'll be taken to the purchase screen. Here, select your Cash App card as the payment method and confirm the transaction. Once completed, your Robux will be added to your account. If you don't see Cash App as an option, double-check your payment settings and make sure the card is properly linked. And that's it. So that's basically how you can Robux with Cash App on iPhone. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.